If you want to know how can you link an artist's profile to your Instagram music on Tunecore, today in this video I'll show you exactly how to do that. All you need to do is to follow carefully with me till the very end and let's jump right into it. First, we need to go to your Play Store or App Store and make sure you have the Instagram app updated to the latest version for everything to work properly. After that, you can finally go ahead and open Instagram and make sure you are logged into your account and that you're on a professional mode on an artist mode. So tap right here in the search icon at the bottom, then in the search box at the top, search for Tunecore. Choose the first account that has nothing but Tunecore on it and then go ahead and open it. And then from here you need to tap on message. And basically you need to contact them with a message that looks like this one. So tell them that you want to know how can you verify your channel using the official artist channel. So tap on next to send the message and they should get back to you in a short amount of time with a message that looks like this one with the steps that you need to do to carry on in setting up your account and basically linking it the way you want to. So just follow up with the steps they provide and you should be good to go from there. And that is basically it for this video, guys. I hope it was useful. If it was useful for you, please like and comment down below. Don't forget to subscribe for future videos like this one. And thank you very much for watching. See you in the next one.